Oh, it might be the rain, bro. Oh, shit. Fuck, but if it's the rain, that sucks. Oh. Is it dead? Oh! I pulled up at Walmart parking lot. They talking about TNT military discount. I said, say less. All right, let me get these motherfucking fireworks. Hold on. All right, y'all boys, bag secured. Bag TNT fireworks. I don't know if you can see that. I got some goodies. I'll let y'all know what they looking like, but bag secured. Got it from down. Bro, when I give military discounts and show my ID, I'm at an age now where like people actually think I've served in the military, so they be thanking me for my service, and I be playing and I'll be like, no problem, big fella. No problem, anytime, dude. Right. Yo, we back in the suburbs.
I'm a suburban kid.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
No, nigga. Currently raining. Bro, I want to get these fireworks, and like the people, like you gotta be 18 to buy fireworks.
Of course.
These niggas just not scan my ID. I asked them, do y'all have military discount? And I mean, I guess that's enough, because like, don't you gotta be 18 to be in the military, shit like that? Do I have my jacket?
Alright, man, let's get it cracking, man. Let's go.
Who?
Let's get it cracking, man. With the fireworks. Alright, firework number 1.
2 color spaceships.
Whoa, you supposed to light it upwards, bro. That bit ain't even go off. That was a fail. I see the rain coming down, man.
No, fuck it.
Bro, Adidas sponsor us, low key, man. Come on. Oh. Is it dead? Oh, shit. So that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, I like those.
You want to know how I like
it?
That bit gone.
That was gone, yo.
In the street, bro, that bit gone.
Hopefully I caught that. I don't really know. I was looking at it, but
I don't know where
that bit flew up. So how
they don't give off a loud ass effect afterwards. So
those are lit. Let's light them all up. Let's light 2, 3.
With the rain, bro.
Yeah, you know. We got the raincoats though. We came out here.
That bit went up in the sky and left.
That was nice. That was nice. I know. It was set like this. But I know the green was facing that way for sure. So light it like that. There big going. You see it coming down? And it's in the trees.
They gonna come outside and be like, where in the fuck are these freaking... Oh, bro, look at my glass. They gonna be like, where in the world?
Let's see the glasses. We out here in the rain catching footage for y'all. You know what it is.
That thing took off. I am not about to...
And of course we're gonna pick it up, guys. We don't litter, you know.
I was just about to say,
we're picking them up.
Pick this up.
Yes, we are, man. We don't litter, bro.
On ground, it's a freaking poker chip.
So you only got 2 of them?
Yeah, I mean...
So these some baby ones, dude. I ain't even backing up. That shit, look at that. Alright, whatever, man.
That shit better tighten up.
Yeah, we ain't worried about this one. This a dud. This is look. We're not even worried about those no more.
I got 2 more of those, but that's kind of weak.
Yeah, that is weak. We need some serious. Where the TNTs at, man?
Oh, I got some.
You got some TNTs? Yeah, you know those are the best fireworks.
I'll come back to all of that right now. Oh shit, not these. That's that fire. Hold on. That's that pull out the stick, nah.
Pull out the stick, nigga, pull out the stick.
Old freaking firecrackers, you already know.
Oh shit. Oh no, it's not. What the fuck? That was a little crazy.
That was
light that one.
I thought it was a fire.
Light that bit and throw it in the air.
Move out my way.
Throw it.
You can't tell me that bit wasn't about to zoom zone, bro.
Real smoke.
I'm trying to get some sound effects. I know these don't. I just wanted to see some smoke for real.
Is that what that is? A smoke ball?
Yes, sir. What? I don't got time. I'm not taking no chances with none of these, bro.
None.
You'll say one
Look
thing.
at that.
Oh,
It's
that's
just a smoke
that
bomb,
right there.
bro.
It's gonna mess with somebody's motherfucking house. You put that. Oh, okay. They had to do a limit because they ain't want to
Yeah,
know.
that's it, man.
I'm about to light all these hoes. Fuck it.
Yeah.
I don't know how many got lit exactly. Look like 3.
Oh, this different colors.
Well, I would at least like it to do that.
Okay, that's pretty lit.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's pretty nice looking.
That orange is fire.
That is a little fire color.
Dang, it's giving off a lot.
I think you lit all of them, bro.
Yo.
You lit all of them.
That's kind of dope. Dang, I kind of felt like these busted in my pocket.
Ooh, what are those?
Them TNTs, boy. This gonna make some big boy noise.
Ooh,
I'm doing
okay,
something.
you twisting them up. We're ready to throw them in dip.
Oh, hell.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Poppets.
Oh, poppets. Oh, you love poppets.
I don't even think you got a freaking
Dude,
have a
middle
lighter for
school.
these. Bro, you get
Middle
in
school,
trouble.
man.
Oh,
If you had
shit.
poppets, you was the shit, bro. You was a badass little kid if you had poppets in middle school, dog.
Y'all see that?
Those are some lethal shits, man.
Fuck.
If you was a nigga to do that shit in class,
Bro, you just tell that
the
bitch.
niggas who did that shit in class.
Oh, you just
You
tell
heard
that
that?
bitch, man, shut up.
What's in there?
What's in one of these?
Yeah, let's open them. Let's open this one.
Bro, I don't got time to get my fingers popped off trying to open this shit. Little ass rocks.
All of them?
Oh shit. Oh.
And that's all of them. You got one in your hair.
Really?
A whole poppet. That bit could have killed you, dude.
Thank God for that for a nigga hit. Hold a sec. I got to pull out this.
Pull out the stick, nigga, pull out the stick.
Pull out the stick.
Alright, let me stop. Bro, this is like the firecracker. Well, not firecracker, the firework. Like, this is what you see, like, when niggas is trying to shoot guns at each other. This is what they shooting at each other.
Wow.
Shoots flaming balls. Do not hold in hand. Oh. The nigga at the stove said I could hold it in my hand.
Well, that nigga almost had you. He fucked your shit up. What you gonna do?
I always say fuse here.
You gonna hold that bit in your hand?
That bitch say do not hold it in hand for real. Which way does it fucking shoot?
I don't know.
All
got to tell when
this
that
one
to
ain't
test
going in
it.
my hand. The
Yeah.
first one.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay.
So you fuse here.
And then you point that bit wherever. It shoots out of here.
Yeah. This side, the fuse side. So I could point that bit like this. I'm gonna point it out there. Let me see if you got kickback. Bro, people be shooting this at each other.
Let me get one.
They be like, yeah, yeet, yeah, 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 yeet, yeah. It's never too early to pop fireworks. I missed this from childhood.
Facts. My parents never did fireworks for no celebration.
Swear, bro. And I straight butane in that bit. Hold on. All right, it shoots this way. Okay.
You didn't light all of them.
Fuck it. Oh, 2 is lit.
Oh.
What the? Wait. Let this one catch fire.
Nice.
Hey.
Please.
Yes, sir.
This is way up.
Bro, I'm gonna say this though. If you said a guy was having a party, nigga, that nigga ain't having no fucking party, nigga. It's 5 niggas.
You what?
I'm lighting the whole bag.
Stop playing.
Cool, bro. Look, you see where I'm going? It look like a popper now, huh? If it look like a popper now?
Oh, that would look like a popper.
So you think if I throw them bitches on the ground, they gonna pop?
I don't know, man.
Fuck, dope. Dope. Alright, let me try. Light the bag, set the world on fire. But stop playing.
Fireworks, man.
Bro. Alright, I'm running into the house.
Nah.
No, we're running into the house. I'll come back 5 minutes later, and then I'm gonna clean this shit. Oh.
Come on, man.
Okay, what was that, 6? You saw how it was going though, right?
Yeah, you was gone.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's over.
You finna run off again?
Hell yeah. Half of these hoes is wet. Do you see this? That's beautiful. Look at my freaking fingers.
Oh, it's lit. That boy always taking off. Why you always ducking, man?
Look what this. Rican Havoc and freaking Austin.
Oh, what's up?
Oh, y'all just missed the grand finale. That was it.
Wait, that was it? That's everything?
Where are you guys coming from?
37 minutes away.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone went pretty far from here.
Deep north side, bro. I'm
Yeah, no, we saw farms and shit. We was like, what the fuck?
yeah, right? Coming up.
Really?
Yeah, bro. That's normal, man. The cows, all that shit. That's normal, bro. Cool, man.
We all lost service on the
Y'all
way
far
there.
from everybody, bro.
All right, I'm gonna end the video now.
Hey, check out my new song, haha. Haha. Hoes. Throw a band, run a band, homie wanna stun again. Pull again, show again, treating it like an event. No one can fabricated, debonair, broken, now you feeling bad. Pressing down the Fanny for a president. Never threw a heavy bag, got a pair of sneakers, better drop it on the studio. Now I'm signing clean and blooming like I'm Pasadena, where Supreme was a beat is damn right. My fit is cheaper, but I'm trying to drip in liters on.